always be tight. Family, second opinion. And even when I start acting like a fool, somehow I always can fall back on you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Brian. I'm back once again with another video. And this video, I am on my way to Dollar Tree. We're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. So y'all, stay tuned. Dollar Tree. Man, you see me everywhere. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning. Somebody.
Good morning.
So we made it here to Dollar Tree. Fix your shoestring. It's too loud. Come on, come on. Good morning. Got a lot of items. Dang. Hold on, what's this? 4th of July. Yeah. I'm not buying no toys. I like this too. I'll put this in my room. Got one item. And say hello world. I do need a picture frame, but not that little. And a certificate. But I'm not gonna get it. Oh, now this is cute too. I like this. If it was blue or purple, I'll put it in my room. Cute. What did I say? Oh yeah, this usually with a word sticker thing. Yeah. I don't got nothing else. And they done moved poster boards right there. That's cute too.
You gotta help me.
Everything ended up coming to $41. With all these items on the receipt. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Brian. I'm back once again with another video. Like I said in the previous video, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree and I bought a few things, and I'm about to show y'all what I got. Stuff for home projects while we're dealing with COVID-19. And some of the things I love and some things I'm going to try out. So, let me wrap this up now. I love candles. So, I had got a candle wax holder to kind of match my walls, you know. Only for $1. a business, as you can see in the previous videos. These are labelers for my containers. I have like containers like this. I got that from Michael, and you can label this only for $1 at Dollar Tree. I have this lid light bulb, say 60 with, and I'm gonna test these out. I have 3 of these. Because I don't want, you see that light probably, it looked yellow. And I don't want it to look yellow, I want it to look white. So this is white, and it said it will last for 22 years. And the brightness is 800. And it's soft white. No. I hope the soft white don't look like that yellow. But this is 2. I have another one in the bag somewhere. $4, guys. And tea light candles. I like these a lot to go with the candle holder. Makes everything smell so good. Dish rags, wash rags. You know, comes in 2 for $1. And my kids, they love these little character wash rags. So they have a 1, 2, 3 palms out. And I've been adding items to my room, and I like this all because of the one in the middle have lashes on. So I'm gonna try to put it on a wall or something. $4. These batteries, can't go wrong with batteries. I have a labeler machine. I have sticky notes that I'm gonna write every goal on, and I'm gonna put it on my wall in my room or somewhere, the mirror, and I'm gonna write goals, and when I accomplish them, I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna keep it. Give it that big next. So they had shelf and drawer liners that you could put on your cabinets, and it's easy to apply and remove. Quick covering. It's like wood look. That could be a project I want to do. And I have a spatula, the spoon, the stirrer, and of course the pizza cutter. Full set, $1. So all these 4 items were $1. $1 each. And aluminum foil, a dish drying mat for the dishes, more rags, mouthwash, salt and pepper set, Dr. Pepper drinks, and I have paint brushes for this project I have, and some paint and clear fingernail polish. So I got the oven mat, and of course it matches. And this is the third light. And we're going to test them lights. So another picture, it say, do what makes your soul happy. And it matches this. $4. And this is, I love elephants. So I had purchased these two that I'm going to paint blue with this blue paint. And I'm going to set it up in here somewhere, you guys. I got cotton swabs for your ears, your nose, it's good to have these in your house. Get you some. And when I seen this, I knew I had to get it. This is so cute. It matches the color in here. It's so cute. I love you to the moon and back. It's cute. And this is $1. And this is the fast drying. It dries the paint fast. Got my baby some little nails. Dang, that's it. Hold on. And this is for Sunday's dinner. These two go together. So all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. It's something missing. Okay, well, 39 items all together that came up to $39 at Dollar Tree. And it's very popular items. Like if you want to shop there or run there to get something quick, everything's there. Like drawers, socks, brushes, toothbrushes, deodorant, food, like, yeah. Whatever you need, they got it for you at Dollar Tree. So that is it. I really love this. And my elephant. And not only that, it matches my hair. So, you know. Well, that is it. So this is how the lights look. The 3 lid lights that I showed you. That I just bought from Dollar Tree. The salt and pepper. And I like it. This is the candle and the 2 pictures I had got. And I like how it's set up. And that's the wax. The candle. And that's also the tea light I had got. And it melted that down real quick. This is the quick cover by contact paper. I went and go get more rolls because I ran out and it wasn't long enough, and I love it. So that is it for this video. This is how my elephants turned out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. The next video that will be posted tomorrow is me doing a DIY on my counter and the kitchen drawers. So y'all stay tuned for that tomorrow. Peace. It's your girl Rhea, and I'm out.